my daughter's GeForce Dance Workshop Journey. Since na mahilig siyang sumayaw, ino-offera na siya ng cellphone na regalo, pero ito talaga yung pinili niyang gift, ang pag-enroll sa dance workshop. As usual, very supportive kami, kaya ang dami na naman namin naghatid at first day niya ngayon dito sa dance workshop na to.
Don't like that. It looks like you're eating.
Good luck, Nak! Enjoy!
Ayan, look! Nak, look mo na! Oh my gosh!
Yan, sasali din daw siya. Parang ewan.
Grabe, entourage eh.
Eto guys, pinayagan kaming sumilip kasi first day pa naman.
Oh, good luck, no!
Good luck. Good luck, Nak. Good luck.
Smile, Nak, smile. Look at me.
At ito na nga guys, dance recital niya na ngayong araw na to at very excited kaming lahat. Andito na kami sa venue. Ang start ng show is 6:30 pero yung call time nila is 3:30. Very supportive Kuya Mick. Siya ang nagre-retouch para masigurong waping siya mamaya sa presentation niya. Dramatic entrance si Madam. Char lang. So, syempre, bago siya pumasok, picture-picture muna.
Ito si Rian. Ay, so. Go, Rian! Ayun, oh. Oh.
Go, Shanti!
Rian!
Go, Rian!
Hey Siri, play music.
Yeah, trendsetter. Whoa, nigga my own, it don't get better. No, read what I wrote, I'm a bestseller. Yeah, reach for my goals in the dead center. In the dead center. Bullseye, hit it the most, there's no misses. Tell me like fish in a barrel, it's no different. Blindfold on me, I still got the most vision. Trendsetter told them before, but they don't listen. Better, bring a better back because I'm bigger, better. Solo single, selling several shows at every single second. Peter Piper, pick the pack, a pickle pack. It's time I came across the competition, hope they get the message. Look, bring it fast, in the mind, in the back. I never go slow, and I'm crash, representing the past. I know I won't go. Big fish catching me, they gon' need a bigger bowl. Ironic how the world stops when I spin the globe.
Alexa, play the next music.
Last time I checked, I'm still high. Real high, kept it real without a bill pop. Bill cop, steady climbing to the hilltop. Tip top, baby, on for the tip top. Yeah, last time I checked, I still got it, did it on my own, stay independent. For you to get what I'm getting, it will probably take a village. Just give me a minute, turn this nigga to a hit, and now they don't want a percentage, but I'm only paying visits. Big dog, hit 'em with big dogs and a quick jaw. Hit balls, they ain't playing, they getting kicked off. So I got 'em puzzled, got 'em a whip dog. It's a feeling crazy, I put the beat in a big drum. Got it on lock, got a password. Type of thing you couldn't manufacture. $10,000, got a master. Can't you see the patterns? Last time I checked, I was...
Bixby, play the last track.
Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise it ain't make it dance. In the air, set you free. I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM, making cheese like a safe dance. Whoa, yeah, these are big fans. It isn't you, I'm just out there just sitting making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that it's getting win. So go ahead, but I'm staying in. Drop a song and pop up on your phone like I was going to. Connected to the friends without a hand, I did it
Oo nga pala guys, ang in-enroll ng daughter ko is hip-hop dance class. Yun lang. God bless everyone. Love, love, love.